kids, it's Miss Lambert. I'm here today to help you with your subtraction with regrouping. As I've been checking your math work, I've been seeing a lot of small errors in this, so I want to help you so you can get more problems right the first time. So let's get started. First, if I have 24 minus 16, and I need to subtract 16 from 24, I need to write my bigger number on the top. So since 24 is bigger than 16, I'm going to write 24, subtract 16. I'm going to make sure that my ones are lined up and that my tens are lined up. Now, when I start in my ones column, I see that I have 4 and I need to subtract 6. If I have 4 of something, I can't take 6 away. So I need to regroup. I'm going to cross my 4 off and I'm going to make that a 14 because I'm going to take a 10 from my tens column. So my 2 becomes a 1. Now I have 14 minus 6, which I can do, and that is 8. And I have 1 minus 1 is 0. So 24 minus 16 is 8. Next, again, my big number is already on top. I have 55 minus 47. But my problem is if I have 5 of something, I can't take 7 away. So I'm going to cross out my 5 and I'm going to add 10 to it. Whatever number you have in the ones column, when you're regrouping, you're going to add a 10 to it. So if I have a 5 plus 10, that's 15. If I'm adding a number here, I have to make sure that I'm taking it away here. So this 5 needs to become a 4. Now I have 15 minus 7, which I can do. That leaves me with 8, and 4 minus 4 leaves me with 0. So 55 minus 47 equals 8. Next, I have 43 minus 16. If I have 3, I cannot take 6 away. So I'm going to cross out my 3, and whatever number I have there, I'm going to add a 10 to it. So 10 plus 3 is 13. As soon as I do that, I want to come over here so I don't forget that 4 needs to go one smaller, so that 4 becomes a 3. So now I have 13 minus 6, and you can make sure that you get this part right too. You have a number line that you can use, so you can start at 13 and you can count down to 6, or you can count on. I can put 6 in my head and count till I get to 13. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I know 13 minus 6 equals 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 43 minus 16 equals 27. Again, when you need to subtract your numbers, if you can't do it in your head on your own, use your fingers counting on. Use your number lines if you have one on your desk, or draw one. You will probably have some with hundreds also. So now we have ones, we have tens, and now we have hundreds. So I have 5 minus 8. If I have 5 ones, I can't take 8 ones away. So I'm going to cross out my 5, and when I add 10 to that, it becomes 15. My 4, I'm going to cross out my 4, and it's going to become a 3 because I moved that 10 over here. My hundreds, I don't have to do anything there. I took that 10 and I moved it to my ones, and these are fine, they can stay just the same. So now I have 15 minus 8, I'm going to count up 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That gives me 7. I have 3 minus 3, that equals 0. And then I have 3 minus 2 is 1 for 107. Last one. We have our ones, our tens, and our hundreds. So I have 3, and I need to take away 5. I can't do that. So I'm going to cross out my 3. When I add 10 to 3, I get 13. I'm going to cross out this 3 because I moved that 10 over here, so this is going to be a 2 now. I have 13, and I need to take away 5. I'm going to count up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That gives me 8. And then I have 2 minus 2. That gives me 0. And then I have 2 minus 2 again. And that gives me 0 again. So 233 minus 225 equals 8. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me. I want to help you understand this a little better. Again, if you're drawing it out, you can continue doing that. But if you like stacking it, I want you to practice so that you can get better and be better prepared for the test soon. Bye.